Okay guys, welcome back again on a new video reaction. Just like I promised to you that I'm gonna pick one of the video or posts from this guy, okay, and called Okute Biafra, a very good liar. I will pick up one of his videos like I promised and expose it for you to know, not to expose him as a person, but to prove to you that he's a liar. I don't call him a liar for nothing. Listen to this. This is what he posted one day ago. He said, watch the video below again. Let us put the madness of this Umo Koko to rest about their delusion and lies from their madam, telling them she declared Biafra. Ngozi Orabueze never declared Biafra. Dr. Bracing Okoma did with Biafrans, and he never for once came out online. What he's trying to tell you is that this guy the guy that read the grievances on why Biafra need to be declared and what Biafra have been going through in the hands of Nigeria, that he is the one that declared Biafra. You know, in the previous video of this guy called Okute Biafra, which where he claimed that COS is this and that, okay, I told you that is when I told you that I'm gonna react on another video about this guy's lies. He tried to call for he formulated another story, a different names where he claimed that is the name of COS. Okay, and that is for you because they don't feel comfortable when people question the identity of their prime minister Ogenkere that has not less than 5 to 8 names. So because of that, he wants to tell you that also COS has different names. He cooked up falsehood, fake names, and ended up mentioning those names and said AKA Ngozi Orabueze, just to paint her bad, because he felt that he knew that his prime minister identity can never be defended. None of them have come out to defend it. It is too obvious that they don't know what to say. And being that he claimed that he hold the flags of liars of association of the whole world, he want to use that kind of method to drag CS down, that where he know that his prime minister has fallen. Anyway, I'm not here to, like I always say, I'm not here to drag anybody, but when I attempt to explain this kind of things, we have no other choice than to say it the way it is. And by saying that, one may feel that we are attacking anybody. But let's go through the video of the guy that read that declaration, where this guy cut off some words and claimed that is how the guy declared Biafra. I will do a comparison exposition because I'm going to bring a video of COS when she declared Biafra as well. But before then, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new, and make sure that you share the video. I would like to hear from you, of course, on comment section. So put your comments and tell me what you think about what the video is all about. Don't worry, it's not the more that you agree with me. I want to know your own opinion. Are you in support or against? Put it on comment section. I will go through it. Let's start. Hear this.
So one more time, we are compelled to, on behalf of the people of the United States of Biafra, declare the restoration of independence of the United States of Biafra, comprising 40 confederating states. On this day, November 29, 2024. USB,
Okay, that is the end of the part. Remember, this guy was reading, written document like this is something that they have written down, and he was reading that when he got to the point of emphasizing why they need to declare Biafra today. He read it out, and they felt that this is where the guy declared Biafra. Then after reading this, okay, COS come up with the declaration part of the program. The redeclaration part of the program was carried out by COS. I'm not here to, downplay the effort of the guy by reading the grievances. This is his own part. Then nobody is disputing that this guy was the one that declared Biafra. First time they said it is, I think, in Chemaka Sajare's program. He's one that mentioned that for the first time to my hearing, because it was not even questioned before. All right. Now let's listen to COS when he declared Biafra. Listen.
The government in exile, His Excellency
Let me take it back again so that you can hear when he said none therefore. Listen.
Now therefore, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile, His Excellency Simon Jago, by virtue of the authority and pursuant of the issues and principles recited above, do hereby solemnly proclaim that the territory and region under the 40 confederating states of Biafra, together with her continental shelf and territorial waters, shall henceforth regain her independence and act as an independent sovereign state with the name and title of the United States of Biafra.
Now, this part, did you hear how she declared Biafra? By identifying the border, the boundary, the name of the nation that you're talking about. And that is how nation is being declared. Even the guy that read the grievances that these people are cutting his video and acting pretend that he is the one, and he himself he understands it very, very well. He know what happened. He knows that COS is the one that declared Biafra. Even international journalists like news platforms carried it out. And somebody like Okute Biafra and Chemaka Jere, they are the people that started using that kind of narrative to deceive people out of desperation. Now, let me ask this question. If they actually believe, if they know they're not lying, then why are they fighting the same people that are claiming that she was not the one that declared Biafra? We turn around to tell you that she declared it, she changed the date. Why did she declare Biafra when 29 instead of 2nd? I hope you are following what I'm saying. After claiming that she's not the one that declared Biafra, they'll still use their platform to tell Biafran that she's a criminal, that she's a politician, she's an agent, that she declared Biafra the day that she shouldn't have declared Biafra. So if she's not meant to declare Biafra, what did the person that you guys mapped out to declare Biafra did on 2nd of December then? Because we did not hear that somebody wanted to declare Biafra, since you don't agree on 29, that somebody wanted to declare it, and the person was pushed down from the stage by COS. And why did the guy, the person you claim that he declared Biafra, why did he come up to the podium to read what he read on 29 instead of 2nd, when you guys that claim that you are in power, you are in charge, have mapped out for declaration? And I mean, this is common sense. How can you just lie to people with everything in you? What do you intend to gain? What do you intend to gain? Anyway, my people, tell me what you think about it, because there's I don't want to go on and on. There are some questions that we need to ask, because I prefer to ask this kind of question one-on-one. But for the sake of the video, let me just leave it here. Thank you and God bless you. Please tell me what you think about all we've discussed so far, and subscribe to the channel if you're new. God bless you. Bye bye for now.